What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another Cut the Rope walkthrough. Today, I'm going to be walking you through level 16 on Fabric Blocks, and if you didn't know, I'm walking through every single level on the game of Cut the Rope, so if you needed help on any levels on Fabric Blocks, or in the game in general, there's a playlist I'm going to link at the top of the description, and it has all my walkthroughs, and you could just go there for whatever help you need to get a 3-star on any level. As for level 16 though, let me just hop right into it and I will show you what is going on and what you need to do. As you can see, you have the stretched ropes here, and then the first move that you're going to end up making is you are going to cut the rope in the bottom right hand corner, then cut the rope in the top left corner, and then top the one in the top right corner, and it will eventually swing, get the bubble, and then you could use the balloon to push the candy over and get the candy, and then pop the bubble, and then hit the balloon again, and the wind will carry the candy into Om Nom's mouth. It's kind of a tricky maneuver, and you have to work quickly in order to hit the balloon twice at the right moments to get the candy, and then once again to blow the candy into Om Nom's mouth. That is all there is to it though, to this level though. If you did find this helpful today though, be sure to like and subscribe, and like I said, if you needed help on any other levels, there is a full playlist at the top of the description, and you can just check that out and see for any level. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.